This is my most recent furniture project. 2-drawer desk. Raised panel side. Raised panel back. It's for a notebook PC. Legroom for the chair. Use plate joining biscuits and pocket screws to assemble it. Raised panel drawer fronts also. Made of oak, select pine, and knotted pine. With oak accents. Homemade crosscut sled for the portable table saw. Safe and accurate cross cutting. Note the stop. Safe and accurate right angle cuts. Latest project is 10 utility drawers. 40 pieces cut with the aid of the crosscut sled. The improved rail mortising fixture. Containment bar to keep your work more accurate and for safety purposes. Do not use any larger than a 1/4 inch router bit. The improved Dadoing fixtures with aluminum runners. Custom made for my 3/8 inch bit. Accurate straight cuts without chip out. They can also be used for panel finishing. Use a spiral bit and eliminate saw marks. And square the panel at the same time.